Now we start to see word problems in linear equation in two variables. These problems are common for the CBSE and State Board, so both of you can have the benefit of these sums. Our first sum is half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. Okay, what is he saying? Half the perimeter of rectangular garden. This is first part. So in your solution, this much we'll write first. What does that mean? Half perimeter of rectangular garden is equal to how much, that we will see afterwards. Okay, whose length is, now this rectangular garden, if you are going to show it by means of a figure, this rectangular garden, this is your rectangular garden, the length is 4 more, this length is 4 more than its width. Whatever is the width, whatever is this width, this length is 4 more than the width. So here we will have to assume the length as, the width as x, or the length as x and the width as y, whatever you wish to. Accordingly, I have taken x here, so the width is x and the length is y. Fine, because we have to make use of two variables. Our lesson is based on linear equation in two variables. So this will be our second part, means the length is, I am assuming the length to be as y. The length is, okay, length is means is equal to, length is 4 more plus 4 then its breadth, that is x. So this is one of your equation. This will be our first equation. Continue, let us continue with the sum again. See, half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meter. Perimeter, half the perimeter is how much? It is 36 meter. So we got the two equations now. Let us write them in proper manner. Okay, this is just a rough work that I showed you. So we will assume, let the width of the garden be x meter and length be y meter. Now by first condition, half the perimeter of a rectangle, half the perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula half perimeter of a rectangle is twice length plus breadth, that is equal to 36. So 2 is cancelled, length plus breadth is equal to 36. What is your length? Y. Breadth is x. This is 36. So this is your equation number 1. Fine. Now by second condition, as I have already showed you, by second condition, you have y is equal to x plus 4. This is your equation 2. Now what are we going to do is, we will put this value of y in equation 1. Okay, so put value of y from equation 2 in equation 1. Okay, so your equation 1 is y plus x is equal to 36. In place of this y, we will put x plus 4. So x plus 4 plus x is equal to 36. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 36. So 2x will be 36 minus 4. 2x will be equal to 32. So x will be equal to 16. You are going to divide this 32 by 2, so that will give you 16. So you got the value of x. That means the breadth is 16 meter. Now we need to find out the length. Okay. So let us go for the length now. The length we get as over here length will be equal to, okay, so here I am writing, put x is equal to 16 in which equation? In equation 2. I'll put here, I'll get the value of y. Okay, put x is equal to 16 in y is equal to x plus 4. This we call as substitution method, dear students. Remember that. The method that I am following is substitution method. So y will be equal to 16 plus 4. Y will be equal to 20. So the length is how much? Length is 20 meter and the width is 16 meter. Answer you have to write. Okay. The length is equal to 20 meter and width is equal to 16 meter. Okay. He is asking you to find the dimensions of the garden. Dimension means the length and the breadth, or the length and the width. So length is 20 meter and width is 16 meter. I hope you got the sum. Okay. Please put any queries that you have in the comment box.